Hey everyone, welcome back. If your transfer is delayed in the app from Bank of New Zealand, here's what you need to check. First, confirm whether the transfer was made during business hours. Some payments, especially interbank and transfers, may take longer outside standard banking hours or on weekends and public holidays. Next, check that the payment status in your transaction history. If it shows as pending, it may still be processing. Then make sure you've entered the correct recipient account number. If the details were incorrect, transfer could be delayed. Then, if it's a large amount, BNZ may place temporary security review on the payment. This is normal for fraud protection. Also, confirm your internet connection was stable at the time of transfer. If the delay continues beyond one business day for standard domestic transfers, contact BNZ support for clarification. And that's how to fix the BNZ transfer delayed issues. Subscribe for more quick fixes.